Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you do not know me, I am Shireen. I just completed my first year at NUJS Kolkata or NLU Kolkata, whatever you would like to call it. So I gave CLAT back in 2023. I was AIR 553, so a decent rank, I would say. This was my first attempt that I gave along with my class 12 boards. So yeah, during my CLAT preparation, I made tons of mistakes that I wish you will not make if you want to succeed in CLAT. Had I not made these mistakes, perhaps I might have gotten a better rank. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. The 5 mistakes that I made during my CLAT preparation that you should absolutely avoid. Right. So the first mistake that I made was not taking mocks seriously and not doing them properly. So I just was very lazy. I would not analyze them properly, which is such a bad mistake. Please analyze your mocks properly. Second thing is that I would not sit and give mocks in a way that it should be given. So because I was self studying, so what I would do most of the time, I would give online mocks. Now online mocks are not an answer to the real mock, right? If you want to give mocks, even if you're self studying, please print out the mocks. Please sit 2 hours in an environment which closely resembles that of a classroom. Have an OMR sheet with you when you fill up, because giving an offline mock and giving an online mock like on your laptop are miles different, and the experience is going to be very different. So I would definitely say, please take your mock seriously and give it in a way that as if every mock is your actual CLAT paper. Now, while coming to that point, I do have a book that I wanted to recommend to you guys. So this was sent to me by Oswald Books. So they have launched the latest edition of the 10 years solved papers for CLAT and ALIT. So this book, I personally reviewed the older edition of this book as well, somewhere in my channel. But I absolutely love this book because you get all of the previous year questions, which are super important if you want to crack CLAT. So you have all of those questions here solved. So you can actually attempt the questions from this book itself and then find your answers. And this retails for around 6.99. I think in Amazon or any other place you can get it for slightly cheaper. So essentially, even if you go on to print all of this, the price is going to come to the same if you think about the amount of pages you're going to be printing. And not just that, this book contains, apart from the solved question papers, gives you tips and tricks on how to crack CLAT. It gives you trend analysis, and it's a really nicely made book. So if you want to access the old past year previous year papers in the physical format, I would definitely recommend placing an order for this book. The link will be in the description down below, and I would definitely recommend like doing this book. And previous year questions are so important, and having them like solved at your fingertips, this is like that one book I would recommend you to purchase for CLAT, other than like relying on other like online sources. So yeah, so that was my first mistake that I made. The second mistake that I made was not finding a community of CLAT aspirants earlier. So because I was self-studying, I was just very isolated during the entirety of my CLAT preparation, and I didn't really know another person who was giving CLAT. Like physically, I didn't know somebody until like the very end of my CLAT journey when I went to give mocks somewhere. So I would say personally, this is what I would absolutely recommend you. Please find a community, whether that's on Telegram, whether that's physically through whatever coaching you're doing. Try to find a community, because once you get somebody to share your woes with, very good effect on your mental health personally. So I would recommend, please find a community. So because a community can be very helpful, right? They can give you extra resources, you can exchange notes. This will just help you, and trust me, the more collaborative you are, the better your chances at success are. If there's one thing that I've realized coming to law school, being competitive, being somebody who's very cutthroat, somebody who wants to like just kick other people out of your way to get access to stuff, doesn't work at all in real life. The more collaborative you are, the more helpful you are, the easier it will be for you to crack this exam. So try to find a community. If it's people who can share your issues with, share your doubts with. So yeah, I would definitely say finding a community is absolutely important. So whether that's an online community, whether it's an offline community, just having just knowing another CLAT aspirant and time to time checking up on each other, helping each other with your doubts, which are very unique to an aspirant themselves, is just really helpful. And if you don't find anybody, just DM me. Okay, I am always available. Follow me in my like new Instagram page, which is have made exclusively CLAT and NLU content. It's called Law with Shiri. I'll link it in the description as well. So just like DM me, I'll be that person to help you out with stuff. But definitely find a community. The third mistake that I made was I focused on GK too much and did not give attention to the other sections. So I understand, right? GK is going to be the most challenging section, and most people are going to spend majority of their time focusing on GK, which is perfectly fine. But the other sections are also equally important, right? They also carry equal or even more weightage. So I would actually say that while focusing on GK is important, please focus on developing your skills in English, in legal reasoning and logical reasoning, because those sections are going to give you so much more marks. I know a lot of you know this is a mistake that I didn't make, but I know a lot of you want to pass maths and don't really want to focus on maths. Please don't do that. Maths is very 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 important, and that can because let me tell you, like when I got my rank list, like by 0.25 marks there was like hundreds of gaps, like there was like 100 rank gap in 0.25, right? So please focus on maths, and so focus on GK, but focus on your other subjects too. Do not neglect your other subjects for GK, right? Now, the fourth mistake that I made was I over stressed regarding CLAT. So I was more focused on trying to find ways to study, trying to focus more on like stressing over like CLAT rather than actually focusing on what my individual mistakes are. So I was looking at everything from a very broad picture always, which is not always recommended. So जब आप exam दे रहे हो, it's okay, I understand you have a broader picture that you have to crack this exam, but stressing over it like that is not going to help you achieve anything. Focus on smaller stuff, smaller steps. So instead of looking at, oh, I want to get into NLS, थोड़े छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स लो. थिंक अबाउट, ओके फाइन, मेरे मॉक्स के स्कोर ऐसे 50s and 60s में आ रहे हैं. Let me identify the mistakes that will help me get to 80s. Let me identify, like, take one step at a time instead of like sitting down and just getting like, oh my god, एक बार मेरा मॉक खराब हो गया, इसका मतलब तो अब मेरा होगा ही नहीं. So like you just like stress, you give up on CLAT. Like don't do stuff like that. It will not help you in the longer run. Trust me, it will not help you crack this exam. Don't stress over it. Think of it as another exam. पास करते हो अच्छी बात है, नहीं कर ठीक है, you gave your effort, and trust me, it will show somewhere, like somewhere or the other, whatever effort you have given will bear fruit, whether that's through this exam or something. Nothing gets wasted in this life. So don't overstress regarding CLAT. Take it one step at a time. And the fifth mistake I made, which was to take mock leaderboards very seriously. So if you have ever given any online mock or even like mocks in certain institutions, they often will come up with a leaderboard, right? Now most of the time you're going to see जो टॉप 1 से 20-30 रैंक्स है उसमें उनको 150 पे 150 मिल रहा है. Now, I don't know who these people are. I have never met these people, but I can tell you these people don't exist, because it's not possible to get 150 out of 150 or 120 out of 120 in the latest pattern. So like don't take all of this seriously. Some of it is rigged. Often people cheat. लोग बहुत time लोगों को पहले से मिल जाती है mocks before they are even released. So don't focus on all of that at all, and just focus on giving your mocks properly, ठीक है? And don't think of your competition is not the person who got 150 in a random mock. Your competition is yourself. Think about it this way कि आज मुझे 60s में मिला है, कल मुझे 70s में मिलेगा, फिर मुझे 80s चाहिए. Take it like that, and it's completely fine if your marks fluctuates. Okay, ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आपको 60s में मिल रहा है तो next day आपको 70s में भी हो सकता है आपका score 50s में आ जाए, but it's completely fine. Don't take mock leaderboard seriously. Don't think कि oh my god, like इस random coaching institute के यहाँ पे मुझे 2000 rank मिल रहा है, फिर तो actual CLAT में मुझे मिलेगा ही नहीं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. There's so many people in my batch I know who didn't even get ever in hundreds, but in the actual CLAT paper they got it. The real competition is in CLAT only. It's not in your mocks. It's not in your coaching centers. So don't focus on that. So I hope you like this video. It was a very short and quick video that I wanted to make for you guys. So yes, if you want to watch anything else, let me know, and comment down below whether you are making any of these mistakes and how you plan to resolve them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have a good day.